It's nail mail time! People, it is time to do the June Many by Me box. So let's open her up and see what's inside, shall we? I just love their boxes. Get ready to go on a creative adventure. Many by Me box. And we have our 2 cards, and we have our bundle of joy. What could possibly be in the bundle of joy? You know what? I said June. This is May. Isn't it May? Oh my God, what is wrong with me? It's the May box. Wow, I guess I'm already got vacation on the brain. Okay, I'm not going to read that. I don't know what's in here, so you guys feel free to have a little look-see at that. I will look at the tutorial behind the buzz. Okay, so something with bees, flowers maybe. Get ready to be in the queen bee style with this sweet nail art featuring cute bee buds. That's adorable. Follow these easy steps to achieve a look. So I will be doing this one, this whole tutorial in another video. So get ready for that. That's the May 2023 tutorial. Crinkle, crinkle. I like to get the crinkle out of the way. Shut up. I love it when they have new stickers. Shape up. Another one for my e-scooter. Can't wait to put that on there. Oh, let's start with the extra item. Okay, so if this can be Joyful Jasmine, maybe we can talk. If it can't, though, I'll let you know. I'll give the sniff test. By the way, the cuticle oil that they have are just really good. In fact, I just put on some Joyful Jasmine a little while ago. This was the Joyful Jasmine, and here is the Rousing Rose. Let's see how this one smells. Because Joyful Jasmine is something to behold. Oh, that's really pretty. Like, you know, a lot of times rose scents are over the top. This one is not. This is really pretty. Like, ooh, let me try one more time, Joyful Jasmine, see if I can. Oh, I don't know. This one is really nice too. Okay, I'm gonna take one of these to work and leave it there. Maybe it's Rousing Rose. I don't know. This is really good. Okay, so I'm very happy about that. Their cuticle oils are really good. I'm a happy person about them. Let's have a look at the stamping plates first. Exclusive stamping plates. Okay, double stamping. That's what we got going on here in giant floral designs. So this is MXM104, and we've got designs that go on top of one another. This is the double stamping, and we've got some bee designs in the middle of them. Okay, roses and daisies and chrysanthemums, and okay, very pretty. Like, those are really large flowers, so I guess only portions of them can go on your fingers. Like, this is just, they're only using a portion of it. Okay, let's see what's on the other plate. This is MXM103. So this one is definitely more bee themed. So we've got beehives going on with little cute bees inside. Is that a cup of bees? What is that a cup of? What's hanging out of there? Is that oh, it's flowers. Cup of flowers. We've got lots of little other flower designs, tulips and whatnot, and cute little flowers over here. These are bees. Those are bees. Bees and flowers. That's a cute one right there. And then we've got a honeycomb with some floral kind of stuff in it as well. Okay, so they were absolutely true, like bee and floral themed going on over here. Let's open up. I'm going from the top. You guys see that? I did it this time. I'm so proud of myself. Let's see what colors we have in here. It's got to be a yellow. I mean, it's bee stuff. Whoa. Okay, so the yellow is very pretty, yes. I hope it's a nice, strong, opaque yellow. It's called Honeydew. I'm excited to see how opaque it is because I need a good opaque one. Their Maui Gold is really good, but it's a little bit darker of a yellow than I like. This color makes my heart smile. Sunblaze. Oh, what a great name for this color. It's like a shimmery coral, just so pretty and summery. Oh my gosh, springy, summery, whatever. Let me get some fake nails ready to do some swatching. I grabbed some fake nails so that I could, ooh, I love this color so much. You go wait for last, baby. Okay, let's try Honeydew first. Let's see how opaque this bad boy is. It looks like a cream polish. I mean a cream finish. Okay, maybe not as opaque as I want, but it does look like it has good coverage, but it's gonna definitely need 2 coats. But most yellows do. Most yellows do. Okay. I'm all right with that. Let's see how she stamps because, you know, stamping is completely different than a full coat. So now let's do this Sunblaze color. What a great name for a polish. Especially one that looks like this. Goodness gracious. Okay. Let's see if we see the shimmers in it. Kind of excited about it. Oh, y'all, this color, Hello Beautiful. I think this is my next color. Oh my gosh, this is pretty. Looks like I had something on that nail before I started, but oh my gosh. I am a super fan. I did have something on that nail before I started. Sorry about all the bumps. That is a gorgeous color. It's gonna be pretty to stamp, but it's gonna be great as a base color too. So super duper excited about that. Let's swatch these with the Swatch Me stickers and see how they stamp too. Once again, I'm gonna start with the Honeydew color. I got my monocle stamper nearby. I use the same stamp for every single one of my, I just have that kind of, oh man, that is not as opaque as I wanted it to be, quite honestly. So I'm not gonna panic yet. Could stamp really well. Let's see how it does over black. That's really what I need. Oof, not what I wanted. It does a good job, but I still think Maui Gold might be better. Let me compare. This one is Maui Gold, and you can see what I mean by a bright, vibrant, but it's a darker yellow. And you know what? Now that I'm looking at it, maybe this one does do what I'm going to need it to do. It is bright, for sure. And stamping, I think it's pretty decent. Okay, I'm not as mad at you as I thought, but it's definitely gonna need 2 coats when you paint it, okay? So we'll just leave that bad boy there. Not as bad as I once thought. However, I do think, like if Maniology came out, and maybe you guys know something I don't know, do they have like a super opaque, bright in your face yellow? That's what I want. Almost like a neon yellow. This color is so amazing. Oh my gosh, it's so amazing. Okay, I'm gonna try not to panic about the color. Whoops, I didn't even clean my stamper. What a goofball move. Let's see if I can, oh, I got a little yellow on it. Oh no, I didn't, yay me. That's gorgeous. Look, that's just like a perfect coral color. You can't see the shimmer when you stamp it so much. You can barely see it. And the color itself, I don't know if the camera's picking it up or not. Just tiny little golden flakes. It's so, so pretty. Let's just do another coat on here real quick before I freak out too much. Gotta make sure I grab the right yellow. This is a nice bright yellow. With 2 coats, I think it's gonna be exactly what a yellow should be. Okay. It is definitely bright. It's definitely like the type of yellow that I am looking for. And I'm hoping that it's gonna be the stamping yellow that I need it to be. I gotta try it out with some different designs. Okay, so now we have the color Sunblaze going on twice. Oh my gosh, you're gorgeous. Well, hello, pretty. You're my next color. I've been using regular nail polish lately and just not feeling super inspired. So this is an inspiring color. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but it is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Okay, well that is your May 2023 Maniology Mani by Me kit. So I will be doing the video tutorial a little bit later. Let me remind you, these were the things that were in the kit. It always comes with that doohickey. This is a card that explains it. I also have the tutorial card, which I will be doing this tutorial a little bit later. If you need to, feel free to pause once I focus it. Feel free to pause and do that one on your own. But I'll be doing it here probably in a couple of days or something. So it's got the tutorial card. It's got your 2 colors, Honeydew and this amazing Sunblaze color. Oh my gosh, hello. And this, I just want to smell it one more time. Rousing Rose. Oh, it's so pretty and it's so subtle. It's not like, yes, it's rosy, but it's not as over the top as some of the rose scents that you get. But it is very yummy smelling, for sure. And then you get the 2 plates, MXM103 and 104. They're bee inspired and floral themed. Really pretty. Some layering, some double stamping, layering stamping going on here, and just cute. Just cute, very springy. Very, very ready, in tune for spring. Oh, and I can't forget that I got a cool, fun new sticker. Shape Up. So these things all came in the May 2023 Maniology kit, and people, if you love them as much as I love them, then you might want to go to maniology.com and get yourself 10% off of your next order. If you use the code GrooveMama, MAMMA, then you will get 10% off of your order. Follow me on Instagram if you like. Hit subscribe if you like. You know, this is just a nail family here, and this is what we do. So, people, until we meet again, I hope you decorate every nail you got. Bye!